second video. So today we'll be dealing with and discussing about operators in patterns. What are pattern operators? So with no more further introduction, let's dive in. Operators in patterns. What are pattern operators? So operators are special symbols that represent computations like addition and multiplication. The values the operators apply to are called operands. So before this, let me just explain what I'm saying here. Operators. So basically, how many operators do we have in Python? We have quite a few. We have the addition operator. So we have the plus operator. We have the subtraction operator, which is the minus sign. We have the multiplication operator. We have the exponentiation operator, like double multiplication signs. So this is called an exponentiation operator. That means when you are dealing with raised to the power of a number. So we have also division operator. So we have also floor division operator. Then we have something we call we have a modulus operator. So these are the number of operators we'll be treating within this topic. We will try to explain each operator, what each operator does in Python, and how you can improve your Python skills. So let's say this is the third video in our Python series. So for those of you that have not watched the first and second video, we deals with values and data type. The second one we talk about variables. So this is the third video we're talking about Python operators. So those that's watching this first time, I urge that you go back to watch the previous two videos and come back to this one. Thank you. So we're dealing with the plus operator. Just from the operators are special symbols. Yes, you see that plus sign is a special symbol that represent computations. Thank you. So operators are used for computations. That is used for doing calculations. They work just like your basic normal operations that you do with your normal mathematical operations. For example, now the plus or the addition operator performs addition. So for example, now you can do something like print 2 plus 2 to give me 4. You see it, give me 4. So you see that this plus operator performs an addition computation. So it's just straightforward and simple. So for example, if I do something print 5 plus 5, it will give me 90. So this plus operators just works with simpler addition. So for the next one, we'll talk about the subtraction operator. So subtraction operator works just as a normal mathematical operations. For example, if you do print 5 minus 3, it will be 2. So it's simple. So the next one, this is the multiplication operator. So take notice of the sign. So this is the symbol we use for multiplications in Python. It is not like the normal symbol like something like X. No, it is this. This is the multiplication symbol. So if we do print 5 times 3, plus that thing will give us 15. So you see, it's straightforward, simple and straightforward. So this is this is the exponentiation operator. What do you mean by exponentiation? That means when we, for those of you that did maths, you know about when you say something like 2 raised to the power of 3. That means you are doing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 because of the power and 2 has been raised to. Same also is this. This is what they use to raise to the power of something. This exponentiation operator. So if I do something like print 2 times and exponential raised to the power of 2 to give me 8. Because what I'm saying is that 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So if I change this to 2 to the power of 5, 32. So this is used as an exponentiation operator. That means raised to the power of something. So that is that. So the next thing we'll be dealing with is this division operator. Division operator. Print 4 divided by 2 to give me 2. So one thing you should also take notice of is that this division operator always return a value, always return a floating value. The rest return either integer or float, the rest operators. But this division operator always return a floating value. Because for example, 4 divided by 2 will give you 2 naturally. But he added this point 0 because division operator always return a floating value. Example now, if it does not return a whole number, like a integer straightforward, it does not do such. If I do print 10 divided by 2, no, naturally 10 divided by 2 will give us 5, but it will give us 5.0. We tell that the division operator always return a floating value. So for example now, if you're asked now, if I don't want you to return a float value, I want you to return an integer, a whole number value, and this point 0 will not be here. How will I do that? Then we come next to our next operator, floor division. Floor division. So floor division operator is the one that when dividing from the point downwards, you remove every number from the point and return a whole number. This is what I just do. If I do print 10 floor divide 2, it will give me 5 just like that. If you take away this point, everything that concerns with this, we can take it away. For example, now if I do, so watch this. If I do 11, remember 11 divided by 2 is will give us a number with a decimal point because this will not give us a whole number. 11 divided by 2 will give us 5.5. Correct. But if I do it with a floor division, it will be nearly 5. Why? Because this floor division removes all everything from the point downwards. It removes everything. That's what this floor division does. It removes everything. So that's the difference between normal division operator and floor division operator. So the last operator, which is this modulus operator, this operator deals with the remainder of a number. What do I mean? For example, I say print 10 mod 3. So this is what modulus do. You give me 10 divided by 3 will give me things. 10 divided by 3 will give me 3.333. And 10 divided by 3 will give me 3. Let me just use. So 10 divided by 3 will give me 3 more than 1. So the the modulus operator always return a remainder from the division of the number. So when you divide both number and when there's a remainder, it returns the remainder. So 10 by 3 will give you 1, in the sense that 10 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 1. So if I do let me do 20 by 3, 2. So the remainder of 20 divided by 3 is 2. Means that 20 divided by 3 will give 6 remainder 2. So this modulus operator always return the remainder. So that is it for operators, all the operators. So if you want to take increase it increase it a little bit difficult, then we can now begin to add variables to this. For for those of you that have not does not know what variables are, especially those that are a newbie beginners in Python, I urge you to watch the previous video, because the videos that we are listening in our Python series are sequential. That means they are arranged topic by topic, topic by topic. So I urge you that you should watch the previous one after this one, so that for better understanding. So when you're hearing terms, you understand why these terms are used there, because each terms have been explained in the previous videos. So thank you. So variables, for example, if I create a variable, let's create two variables. Num1 is equals to a number 6. Num2 equals to a number 43. If I print num1 plus num2 and I play this beginning at now. Why? Because what is inside num1? 6. What is inside num2? 43. So it will be 56 plus 43 plus 99. So you see, you can use plus operators with variables also. So this make it look a little more, makes your code look a little more beautiful. Yes, it makes your code look more beautiful and look more professional. So you can do this. You can do something like A is equals to 52. This is 32. B is equals to print A divided by B. Give me 8.0. So remember this give me 8.0. This is a float part. So if I don't want it to be a float, I want it to be an integer value, complete whole number, I can just make this a float. Give me 8. Simple. So see, this using variables with operators. So this is, so they say the next thing we're talking about, they say the value, the the values the operators is applied to are called operands. Operands. So what do you mean by operands? The values the operators are applied to are called operands. So what they mean is simply as that all these numbers here are operand. Operand. So what they say that this number is an operand, this is an operator, this is an operand. Operand, operator, operand. Operand, operator, operand. So what they say that the values these numbers, these operators are applied to are called operand. So all these numbers 5 minus 3, 5 here is an operand, 3 is an operand. The minus sign is an operator, a subtraction operator. So that's what I'm trying to explain here. I'm trying to say here. So the values the operators apply to are called operand. So next thing, then we now enter something called string operations. String operations. Yes, string operation. What do you mean by string operation? So string operations are operations that we perform on strings. If you notice, all the operations that we have been doing, the plus, the minus, the division, plus division, modulus, we perform them on which type of value? Most times we prefer them on integer values. Therefore, what about if we take one of these two operators and perform them on string values? So that's what string operations are all about. When we use operators and we apply them, perform them on string values. So basically, there are two operators that can work with a string value: the plus operator and the multiplication operator. So we will treat it one by one. First we'll deal with the plus operator. So from here I said that the plus operator works with strings, but it is not addition in the mathematical sense. Instead, it performs concatenation, which means joining strings by linking them into one. What is the meaning of that? So this is it. Let me ask myself. This is it. For example, the plus operator. The plus operator, right? So this is, so if I do print 23 plus 2, what will be the final value of this? It will return 26. Why? Because the plus operator, what type of computation is it doing here? It is adding the two integer values together. Remember, we are performing these operations on integer values. 22 here, 2 here. All these are integer values in the sense that they are whole numbers without no decimal point. So if I make this a floating values now, let's say 3.5, 3.5, you give me 27.0. So the plus operator basically with with both integer values and floating values. Yes, the plus operator both with integer values and floating values, it does one thing. What does it do? It add the values together. So here the plus operator is adding this floating value to this other floating value. Here the plus operator is adding this integer value to this other integer value. So what I'm not trying to explain, when it comes to when it comes to integer values and floating values, the plus operators add them. But what about string values? What does operator does with string value? For example now, let's say print. What's the string value? Characters in quotes. Let's say water plus melon. So if you see this, so you know water, what type of value is water? Is a string value because why? It is a quote. So those of you that as I said before, those of you that is watching these videos, please go back to watch the previous video. We deal with values and data types. You understand why this value is called a string value. Why 22 here is called an integer value and why 23.5 is called a float value. So please go back and watch the previous video so that you understand the things that we are using here. Yes, thank you. So what are here? Is a string value. Melon here is also a string value because of the quote. The characters are placed inside quote. So what computation will this plus operator do? Okay, let me take it. Let me take it from here. Let me quit here. Yes. What operation will you do? Let me do it. So you give me watermelon. Wow. So what is happening here? The plus operator is doing something we call concatenation. What does it mean? Combination, joining together, joining together. So when you add a plus operator between two string values, it joins them together. It joins them together. It concatenates them together. It joins them together. It joins them together. So, for example, now I can still do something like print, print, um, bar. No, 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 bar, bar. Yes, bar. Yeah. plus Anna. If I play this now, it will give me Ban plus Anna, banana. Yes. So what happened here? He joined this string value to this string value. Join this together. That's what plus operator does with strings, with string value. So if you understand, this was I'm trying to explain. Watch this now. Let's put let's try using plus operator for three different values. Print 5 plus 5. This is this is plus operator working between two integer values. Print 5.5 plus 5.5 plus operator working between two floating values. Print string 5 plus string 5 plus 5 plus operator working between two string values. Awesome. So what I'm trying to explain now. So yeah, for the integer value 5 plus 5, what do you think will give me the answer? What will be the answer? Simple. 5 plus 5, two integer values. 5 plus 5, 10. Simple. 5.5 plus 5.5, what do you think will be the answer? Yeah, simple. 5.5 plus 5.5, 11, because it's adding them together. So the plus operators between both integer and float, it performs addition. Yes, it performs addition computation. So but yeah, string 5 plus string 5, what do you think will be the answer? So let's just play it. Let's just see. So for the first one, 5 plus 5, 10. 5.5 plus 5.5, 11.0. Alright. String 5 plus string 5, it gave me 55. How is that possible? And in a sense, with 5 plus 5 give me 55. How is that possible? This is a mathematical blunder. Yes, a mathematical blunder. But these are string values. What does plus operator do between string value? Remember, it concatenates them. That means it joins them together, it combines them together. It does not add, it concatenates. So when you join 5 and 5 together, it will give me 55. Simple. So this is what I'm trying to explain. Plus operator for string values, it concatenates, it joins them together. While for integer and floating value, add, it performs addition. So for string value, plus operator performs concatenation, but for integer and floating value, it performs addition. Simple. So I can do something like num1 is equals to let's do 10. No, let's make it string value. 10 num2 equals to 0. Yes. Print num1 plus num2. What will this give me? 1000. So remember, this value here is a string value. So where what is happening here? What's inside number 1? String 10. What is inside number 2? String 00. So what will happen here? It will concatenate 10 and 00 to give you 1000. That means it combines them together. So you see what occurs between values when using plus operators. So for example, now I can do something like um, let me see, name. Yeah, my name ne name is equals to excellent. Surname, let's use S. Let's use Surname is equals to mother's name. Yeah, that's what Nigeria. Print name plus S. Name. Yeah. Excellent and Malason. Yes, that's my name. So what happened here is in concatenating them together, it combine them together. So that's what happens when we are using plus operators for string value. So the second string operation we'll be dealing with is the one that has to deal with the multiplication operator. So the multiplication operator also works with strings by multiplying the content of a string by an integer. What am I trying to say? So say multiply the content of a string by an integer. It's simple. Print just watch. Remember, it multiplies the content of a string. So let's use what string value we use. Let's use good. Okay, good times 3. So this is what the multiplication operator does for string value. So if we multiply this string value by 3 times, we multiply it 3 times. So the multiplication operator is basically performing as a multiplication operator here, in the sense that it is multiplying good, good, good. If you multiply it 3 times, good, 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 like repeating it, good, good, good. So the term for multiplication operators or string values is called repetition. So the multiplication operation does something called string repetition. Means that we repeat a string that the number of times we want it to. So I repeated this word good 3 times, good, 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 or you multiply it 3 times, good, good, good. So I prefer using repeat. So repeated it 3 times, good, good, good. I can repeat it 10 times, good, good, good. I can repeat it 1,000 times. Good, 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 good. So that's what that's all for string of string operation. So let me use 55 as a string value. Let's multiply it there. Let's repeat it. Let's say 4 times. 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55. 4 times. So let's change this to hey 4 times. Hey, 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 hey. So simple. So you can use it with variables also. You can just say a variable fruit. Yeah, fruit equals to what's the fruit? Let's use apple. Fruit apple print fruit. Repeat fruit for me 9 zillion times. No, I'm just playing. Repeat fruit for me 9 times. You can do it. What's inside fruit? Apple. So you repeat apple 9 times. Apple, 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 apple. Yes. So I can even make this thing more interesting. I can do something like this. I can create two variables. And just for example, repeat. I create a variable called repeat equals to root multiply by 2. For example, wait. Just repeat for me. And we repeat apple 3 times. What is happening here? Simple. What is inside fruit? The string value apple. What is happening inside repeat? We are multiplying fruit, or we are repeating fruit. So apple is inside fruit. Repeat is repeating what's inside fruit 3 times. And what's inside fruit? Apple. So When you print repeat, Apple will come out three times. Apple, Apple, Apple. So that is it. So that will be all for operators in Python. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, please subscribe, and please share to other your friends that has learned Python just like me. Then there's this guy that is explaining Python in a very simple, understandable way. But thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, please like. See you in the next video.